Colors are one of the first things all learners of a second language try to memorize. Today we're looking at the color brown, which translates as
marrone,
plural,
marroni, marrone. Il nostro cane è marrone scuro come il cioccolato.
Our dog is dark brown like chocolate. The diminutive form of marrone is
Marroncino.
it can translate as brownish or dull brown.
Le pareti sono diventate un po' marroncine dopo tutti questi anni.
The walls have become a dull brown color after all these years. Although most brown things are simply labeled marrone, two notable exceptions are a person's hair
Capelli,
and eyes.
occhi.
To talk about brown hair and eyes, Italians often use the word
Castano.
chestnut brown. That said, the word marrone isn't incorrect, especially in the case of the eyes.
Sara ha I capelli e gli occhi castani.
Sarah has brown hair and brown eyes. The word marrone can also refer to the large and savory chestnut found in Italy. It's from this meaning that we also get the slang term marrone, referring to a man's testicles. As you can imagine, it's mainly heard between men and shouldn't be used in polite company.
Non mi rompere I marroni.
Don't break my balls. One final translation of marrone is blunder or blooper, as a result of ignorance or carelessness.
Sì, lo so, ho commesso un marrone. Farò meglio la prossima volta.
Yes, I know, I messed up. I'll do better next time.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.